Hey Tidwell Titans, this is Miss Downing, your librarian. I just wanted to show you our virtual library and how you can put books on hold through our virtual library. If you go to the Tidwell Middle School homepage, then you click on the library, then it'll bring you to this page. Click here for the virtual library. It'll take you to my virtual library. We'll play music, just hit pause, and then click on Follett, and that will take you to our Destiny Discover home. You want to make sure that you log in. So click log in. You're going to want to log in through your portal. And then you know you're logged in because it'll say welcome and it'll say your name. You want to search for a book that you are interested in. And once you search for that book, you can then place a hold. So if you place a hold on that book, then it will show me that you are interested in that book, and I can go and pull that book from the shelf. You can go to your holds by clicking these three lines up here in the left-hand corner, and it shows all of the books that I have on hold. You can check out up to 3 books at a time, so you can put 3 books in your holds, and then I can, if you're doing remote learning, I can have them ready for curbside pickup, and I'll have more information on that forthcoming. And then if you're in-person learning, then I will be able to have my aides deliver those books to you during your class time so that you have that option. So you can check your books that are on hold and you can see when they're ready. If a book is checked out, you can still put the book on hold. So those are some options for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to working with you this school year.